Hey yo guys, what's up? Sleep here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a CSGO injector that's undetected that looks something like this. Now if you're lazy and you want to just download it, then links in the description. But the first thing you're going to want to do is download the injector tutorial.txt or whatever. It's in the description. This is going to tell you exactly what to do step by step. So after all that's downloaded, open up your Visual Studio, go to Create New Project, then you're going to click Visual Basic, Windows Form Application. Okay. After that loads up, what you're going to want to do is go to your toolbox. Now, most people's toolbox, it could be like right here on the side, or it could be like right here. Just open it up, and then you can drag it around. I prefer to have mine on the right side. So after you kind of mess around with all your toolbox settings and all that stuff, make the form about this big, and then go to the text file, and then it says what you need. So this is what you're gonna put from your toolbox into your form. So the first thing you want to do is get 5 buttons. So I'm gonna speed through this video as I do this. All you gotta do is search it, and then you can even copy this like that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so after you drag all that stuff in, what you're going to want to do is go to step 2, and then you're going to want to change the names and text of things. So people are probably going to get a lot of errors from this. There's a difference between the name of it and the text. So just follow what I do. So for the list box 1 right here, you're going to want to change the name to DLLS or DLLs. So it's these right here, name, just copy and paste that, and it's case sensitive. So that's the name that you just changed. There's a difference between the name and the text. So now for the button 1, what you're going to want to do is change the text of button 1 to browse. So you're going to be doing that for the rest of these ones. So let's go to button 1. You can either right click to go to the properties, and then the text is up here. So you change that like just like that. So that's what you're going to do for the rest of these. So I'm going to speed up the video. You can watch it in slow motion if you still don't understand what I'm saying, but I'll see you back in a second. Okay guys, I changed all the names, and the nice thing is that all the coding is already done for you. So all you do is go to step 3, right under it says code, it says public class form 1. Just copy that, scroll all the way down, copy, then double click form 1, like just like that, and it's going to open up this. Now just delete everything here, command V, which is the paste, so everything's pasted. Now if you want to do a quick save, control S, and then control S, so that saves everything. Now theoretically you could use the injector right now since it's basically done, but it's gonna look horrible since we're not having like the subscribe and follow box. We're just gonna make it nice and small. So let's do this, let's put this like there, let's make it nice and small, and then I'm gonna make this lined up to here. And then you can just go to click the form, and then it says text. I'm gonna make that SleepR. I can't spell for my life. For SleepR Injector, even if I might be spelled wrong, but who cares? So I'm gonna do a nice little Control C, and then I'm gonna make the inject button a little bit bigger, because obviously the point of this is to make an injector. So I'm gonna put the quit up there. And then let's just drag it a little bit, make it nice and big. So you're going to probably want to change the size of the font of the text because it's kind of small. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right click it, properties, and then over here it says font. Let's make that, let's do 15. See how that looks? I think we could probably go 20, so the bigger the better. So let's see, let's make this a tad bit smaller. Here we go. It looks decent. So let's do a control save, and then let's start it and see what it looks like. Perfect. This is going to be a great injector. So now all you gotta do is gonna go to build solution, and then give it a second. Let's wait for the output. Huh. Oh, you know what? It already built it. So let's do rebuild solution. So it succeeded. Now all you have to do is copy. Like it says Windows 6 for me, it might say Windows 1 for you. Copy before that to here, then hit copy, then go to your file explorer. Do that, and here it is. This is the exe that you just created. You can drag it, and now you have a perfectly working injector. Now I'm going to show you how to make it undetected, because right now if you use it you could get a ban from CSGO, and nobody wants a ban from CSGO. So stay tuned and I'll show you right now. Okay, so most of you guys are wondering, hey, how do I make my injector undetected? And I'm going to show you how to do that. So the one that you just built is detected, which means you could possibly get a ban. So the way to make it undetected is to go back to it, double click the thing that says injector, and then right before end class, after end class, just do a enter, and then there's going to be an exe in the description. Download that. It's a junk code generator. All you gotta do is press generate. It's gonna make a ton of junk code. I am not the creator of this junk code generator. All credit goes to the creator. I'll try to figure out who created it and put that in the description. But all you can do is right click, select all, copy, go right under end class and just hit Command V. Here's all the junk code that you will need, and then all you're gonna have to do now is Control S, and then project, rebuild solution in your case. But sometimes it's not gonna work. So like I just got an error, so I'm just gonna delete some of this stuff, and see how it says 0 errors. That's all you do to fix that. So now I'm gonna go rebuild solution, and it said succeeded. So I'm gonna go back to right where it is, and then let's go here. And look, here is my undetected CSGO injector. Now I'm going to show you how to use it in CSGO right now. All you have to do is go to your paste that you've been using. So what you do is, my paste is under rando injector because that's the old injector I used before I made this one. So let's go to release, and then it says SleepR DLL. So all I got to do is go to browse. Let's go to rando injector, release, SleepR DLL. Notice how it says that. And then you're just going to want to put down csgo. So the process is called csgo.exe. So go back to your Steam, hit play, and then wait 1 second. I'm going to let this load and I'll be right back. Okay, all you have to do is go to browse, go to the DLL, select that. Now I'm going to do close after inject. Now my process is called CSGO. It already injected. Now if we go in the CSGO, we'll give it a second. And then if you look at the top left corner, it says SleepR. And here is my Ayyeeeee paste tutorial video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. This video took me a long time. So if it'd be great if you guys commented, and subscribed. Now always remember that this version is in the description. Now since a lot of people are probably going to use it, I would be careful, and I'm going to put the source files for this injector in the description too. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day. Make the video 10 minutes long.
Money, 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 money. money, 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 money,